So I was running a check on Nifty 50 stocks, and I found that almost 21 stocks in Nifty 50 are in a downtrend. So I definitely think that Nifty is bearish, and in this video I'm going to share the top stocks which I think will give a very good fall over the next few days. So if you want to sell some stock for a good swing trade, then these stocks are something that you want to look out for. So usually what I do is first I always look at the index, because I know the index is a representation of the overall market. It shows the sentiment in the market. So I always look at Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, and mainly Nifty 50, to understand the exact market direction, the exact market sentiment that is going on. So if you look at what happened today the market had shown a very good sign of bearishness. So obviously the market has been rising for the past more than 4-5 days. The market was rising, but right now it is showing a very good sign of reversal. So it's been making lower highs over here and lower lows over here. So I definitely think that this is a very good sign of a reversal. So the candle that has been formed in Nifty, if you see, is actually a bearish Marubozu candle. This is a sign that there is a very heavy bearishness in the market, and tomorrow we can expect the market to reverse and go down. Okay, now I want to move on to the stocks. So I will give you my top 5 picks in the end, but first let me give you the list of stocks which I have, which I think are definitely very bearish. So I first put together these banking stocks. First we'll start with Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Indus India Bank, and ICICI Bank, and Bajaj Financial Services, which comes under the financial sector. So these are the top 6 stocks in the finance sector which I think will definitely go down in the next 3 days. The next few stocks are from the IT sector, which is Wipro, HCL Technologies, Infy, and that's it. These 3 stocks are my toppers in the bearish range in the IT sector: Wipro, HCL Technologies, and Infy. Finally, we have these 2 stocks from Tata Group, which is Tata Steel and Tata Consumer Products, which is what I think is super bearish at this point. Okay, let's do a quick analysis on all these stocks. So like I said, Kotak Mahindra Bank is at a very crucial level. Now let's look at HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is actually in a neutral range. So it's been trading in a range. It's been range bound for a while. It's been trading in a range, and it's got a pretty good support. So even if it comes down, definitely I don't expect it to go below this support. So definitely it's in the neutral range. So even if it falls, it may not give a very big fall. Next is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank clearly is in a bearish range, and you can see that it has already broken support. So this was a very crucial point of support for Axis Bank, and it already broke that level of support, and right now it is taking resistance. It's almost like a retracement, and now it's going to come down. So Axis Bank is definitely a very big culprit. It's definitely going to bring Nifty down. Same thing with Indus India Bank also. Indus India Bank has had a pretty strong breakdown recently. So over here you can see that there was a very strong support at this level, and this level was breached precisely on the day of the big fall. Just a few trading sessions back last week, there was a very big fall, and during that fall Indus India Bank broke this very strong support, and right now you can see today it has formed a shooting star pattern exactly at that level, and it's in the bearish range as well. So I'm expecting it to definitely come down and break this support and form a downtrend and go further down. So let's look at ICICI Bank as well before I tell you what my top picks are. So ICICI Bank also is a pretty good strong candidate. I don't expect I don't think I expect ICICI Bank to bring Nifty down. Because you can see, first of all, ICICI Bank has been trading in a symmetric triangle, and usually strong stocks go out, they give a very good breakout rather than giving a breakdown. So of course it's not in our hands or not in our analysis, but as of what I can see, there's a very strong support at the bottom. So even if it comes down, it's in the neutral range, so definitely we can expect a good bounce off, and we can expect ICICI Bank to go higher. So Bajaj Financial Services obviously is in a very deep downtrend for a very long time. So you can see, since October, Bajaj Financial Services has been falling a lot. And is it trading anywhere near support? If you ask me, I'd say no, it's not trading anywhere near support. And you can see it's in the bearish range, and definitely we can expect this support level to be broken and for it to go further down only. Okay guys, in the financial sector, my top picks for you to sell would be Axis Bank, Indus India Bank, and Bajaj Financial Services. These are my top 3 stocks in the financial sector. Now let's move on to the IT sector. So we'll start with Wipro. Wipro is in a bearish range. Definitely it's a very good stock to sell. So yes, it is trading near support, but if you look at the momentum, it's in the bearish range, and definitely we can expect Wipro to go down a little bit at least. So HCL Technologies, in fact I have some holdings in this stock. So if you expect me to be a little biased about it, I might be, but I'm sure that this stock is bearish. Even though I'm holding on to it, I'll tell you very honestly, this stock is very bearish, and I'm looking for a good exit from this stock. So you can see clearly that it is in a downtrend, and we can expect it to come further down from 1000 to much lower levels. So HCL Technology is my top pick in IT sector. Next is Infi. Infi, I don't think it will go down a lot, because if you look at Infi, the momentum is rising. Tata Steel is my top pick if you ask me, because Tata Steel is in a downtrend in the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, Tata Steel is in the bearish range, and today it has formed a shooting star pattern. So definitely we can expect Tata Steel to come further down to at least 833 or even break that level. So if we have to talk about the top stocks which are definitely good stocks to sell, I'd say start with Axis Bank, Indus India Bank, go with Bajaj Financial Services, HCL Technologies, Tata Steel. So these are my top 5 stocks, guys. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't liked this video, hit a like, share it with your friends who would find this useful, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.